Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Open Chrome and go straight to Chrome, / extensions, or use the three-dot menu and choose More Tools, Extensions. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and Chrome is updated. This prevents compatibility issues. In the Extensions list, locate the item you want and flip its toggle to enable it so it can run. Once done, note any permission prompts. Accepting them allows the extension to access needed sites or data. Now you've completed the first actionable step toward using the extension. Once the toggle is on, click Details to control how the extension behaves and why it needs permissions. You'll see Site Access Settings. Choose on Click on specific sites or on all sites depending on privacy needs. This prevents blanket access to your browsing. Use the Options or Extension page to configure features, shortcuts, or account links. These explain why functionality changes. Then pin the extension to the toolbar so you can open it quickly and confirm it's loaded and responsive when you need it. Now finish by testing the extension on a site or task it's meant to handle, so you confirm it runs and why certain permissions are required. If it doesn't work, restart Chrome and check Chrome / extensions for updates or reinstall. This often fixes activation issues. If problems persist, make sure an organization policy or another extension isn't blocking it. Check for conflicts and remove ones you don't need. Quick troubleshooting tip. If an extension disappears, verify Chrome version compatibility and reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.